Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and better understanding of new lesson. So let us start today's lesson, that is equalities and inequalities. What are they and what is the difference between them? You have studied numerical expressions and algebraic expressions and their difference. In numerical expressions, only numerals and arithmetic signs like addition, subtraction, etc. are there. So here we will consider numerical expressions only. Forget about algebraic expressions. So here, when two numerical expressions, the value of two numerical expressions are equal, then it is represented by an equal to sign. That is called equality. So in equality, what is more? An equal to sign and two numerical expressions. Two numerical expressions are equal and is represented by an equal to sign is called equality. Here in the first column, there are some examples for equalities. 7 plus 3 equal to 2 into 5. Which is the first expression? 7 plus 3. What is the value? 10. Which is the second expression? 2 into 5. What is the value? 10. So both the expressions have equal value and is represented by equal to sign. So 7 plus 3 equal to 2 into 5 is a equality. Another one, 11 minus 2 equal to 9. What is the first expression? 11 minus 2. What is the value? 9. What is the second expression? 9. You will have a doubt. Only 9 is there. And then how it become expression? It is also an expression. If you put 5, it is an expression to indicate the number 5. So single number is also an expression, right? So 11 minus 2, the value is 9 and the second expression also has the value 9. So this is a equality. Another one, 9 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 40. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 40. Next one, 12 divided by 3 equal to 2 square. The first expression, 12 divided by 3. What is the value? 4. 2 square means what? Square of 2. What is the value? 4. So both the expressions are equal. It is a equality. Another one, 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 3 into 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Both are equal. Next one, 5 plus 2 into 3 equal to 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 2 into 3? First you have to do multiplication. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5, 11. What is 5 plus 6? 11. So both the expressions are equal. Such expression, equal expression represented by equal to sign in between them are called equalities. Here, the first expression is called, for convenience, be called a left hand side expression. This is to the left side and this is to the right side. So right hand side expression. So in short we will say LHS and RHS. Here LHS and RHS. LHS and RHS. which expression is to the left is called LHS, which expression is to the right is called, after the equal to sign, is called RHS. And what is the full form? Left hand side and right hand side. For convenience we are mentioning. So understood what is equality? Now we will come to what is inequality. It will be definitely opposite of equality. What it will be? When two expressions are not equal, then it will be either greater or less. So what are the signs for them? Greater than and less than. Such expressions which are not equal, represented by a greater than sign or less than sign in between them, are called inequation, opposite of equalities. What it is? Inequality. What it is? Inequality. So these are the inequality, equalities and inequalities. So 14 greater than 12, minus 7 less than minus 3. Minus 7 is the first expression. That value will be less than minus 3. And here 7 plus 5 less than 4 into 5. What is 7 plus 5? 12. What is 4 into 5? 20. 12 less than 20. 3 into 4 into minus 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. But minus sign. So minus 24. Minus 24 is less than 0. All the negative integers are less than 0. Next one. 25 divided by 5. Less than 30 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. 5. 30 divided by 5. 6. 5 less than 6. 9 into 6 plus 4. Which should be done first? 6 plus 4. 10 into 9, 90. 90 is less than 100. These are some examples for inequalities. Clear? So there will be a less than or greater than sign in between two expressions, numerical expressions, when they are not equal, are called inequality. And equality, when two expressions are equal and is represented by putting equal to sign in between them. So exactly opposite. Clear? So this is the difference between equalities and inequalities. Clear? Only numerals and equal to signs. Also arithmetic sign, like in the case of numerical expression. Numerical expressions will be there and equal to sign will be there in equality. Here numerical expressions will be there and less than or greater than sign will be there in between. Clear? So equalities and inequalities. Understood the difference? Clear? So that is all today. I want to explain more about equalities and inequalities. You can learn later. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standards. Then have a nice day. See you next week with a new topic. Bye bye. Thank you.